up, everybody? It's your girl, Lady Extreme. I've been in the arts and entertainment arena for over 30 years, and I just want to thank you for coming to my main stage event with KidsLink. Now, listen, you're going to see a bunch of slicing of videos of events that I have done for over 30 years. I want to teach you about the arts and entertainment arena, business, and ways that you can take your business yourself to a whole nother level. So look forward to bringing you on my page. Let's have a good time. Come on.
KidsLink, get ready for my son, Joshua Carter, aka Jay Sway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.